Why are behavioral rehabilitation techniques vital for animal shelter workers? Have you ever wondered how animal shelter workers help animals overcome their fears and anxieties? Behavioral rehabilitation techniques play a key role in this process. These methods are essential for improving the well-being of animals in shelters. They also help make the shelter environment safer and more effective for both animals and staff. At its core, behavioral rehabilitation focuses on identifying issues like fear, anxiety, or aggression in animals. Once these behaviors are recognized, structured interventions can be applied to help modify them. One popular method is positive reinforcement, which rewards good behavior with treats, praise, or play. This approach encourages animals to learn new, appropriate responses without using fear or pain, which can worsen their behavior. One major benefit of these techniques is improving animal welfare. Shelters can be stressful places filled with unfamiliar sounds and smells. Behavioral rehabilitation helps animals cope with these stressors by creating predictable routines and positive interactions with humans. This can significantly reduce fear-related behaviors and improve their mental health. Safety is another important aspect. Animals that display aggression or fear can pose risks to shelter staff, volunteers, and other animals. By using rehabilitation techniques, workers can reduce these behaviors, making handling safer for everyone involved. Moreover, addressing behavioral issues in shelters can lead to higher adoption success rates. Many animals are returned to shelters due to behavioral problems. By working on these issues before adoption, shelter workers can increase the chances of successful matches between animals and their new families. Behavioral rehabilitation also supports the overall operations of the shelter. Training staff and volunteers to recognize animal body language and apply force-free handling improves the quality of care provided. This professional approach leads to more consistent and effective animal care. Additionally, daily training and enrichment activities help animals learn important skills like impulse control and socialization. This prepares them for life outside the shelter and reduces the chances of behavioral problems resurfacing after adoption. Practical applications for shelter workers include conducting behavioral assessments to identify issues, developing individualized rehabilitation plans, and using controlled environments to minimize sensory overload. Engaging animals in enjoyable activities such as training, walks, and enrichment games is also vital. Workers often educate adopters on managing behaviors and provide ongoing support after adoption. In summary, behavioral rehabilitation techniques are essential for animal shelter workers. They improve animal welfare, enhance safety, support successful adoptions, and maintain effective shelter operations. These methods transform the experiences of shelter animals and make the work of shelter staff more rewarding.